Hello, I'm Sudhi Shukla. You are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. ASSOCHAM organizes a curtain raiser event of Smartech India 2021 at Hill Inspired Hotel Le Méridien, New Delhi. The Smartech India initiative is a unique digital platform that has reached out to maximum target audience all over the world to showcase, reward, recognize, and celebrate the world of smart technologies and how they are making our lives and businesses smarter and simpler. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of Science and Technology, Government of India, are also participated in this event.
Conventional means of publicity. It is actually the word of mouth which creates that ecosystem. We've had two recent examples. In fact, yesterday also I was visiting one of those startups. We had a youngster, a B.Tech, who was working in the corporate sector in Bengaluru. He left, quit his job. We provided him some support with the Department of Biotechnology. He developed a dairy unit with superior quality cows. And since he had spoken to me day before yesterday of the video, I thought I was visiting that place where he was located. So I thought I must at least go for my own learning. And I asked him how much he was earning. He said, no, it was difficult. Now I'm already making about 40,000. And having seen him, that is the ecosystem. One more B.Tech boy quit his job and came, and another MBA. So there were three of them. And this MBA guy told me that now they have also further improvised, they have also started marketing. Instead of engaging anybody else to market for them. So he showed me one little bottles of milk, which they had, conceptualized and developed. And I think they also gave it some fancy name, some smart name, a techie name, Memu milk or something like that. So this ecosystem enabled one to also attract second, then the third, and the third also to go beyond and have another initiative.
SITS Farm ventures into natural unaltered cow and buffalo butter available in salted and unsalted options. Kishore Indukari, founder of SITS Farm, said the trend are evolving. Customers now want to focus more on nutritional value while demanding unaltered products and remain closest to nature. The cow and buffalo butter introduces uniqueness to its appeal by launching both salted and unsalted variants of the product. Digvriddhi Technologies Private Limited raises $3.1 million in a pre-Series A investment led by Into Edge Venture and Omnivore. Raghavan Venkateshwaran, DGV founder and CEO, said, "We are happy to welcome Into Edge Venture and Omnivore to lead our first institutional round. With Info Edge Venture experience expanding digital market and Omnivore extensive expertise in EasyTech, we will be able to build an unrevealed full-service platform for dairy producers." Ambi launches an all-new version of their quality monitoring app for accessing real-time quality data at a street-by-street level. Madhusudan Anand, CTO and co-founder of Ambi, while talking about the app, said air pollution has become an inevitable part of our everyday life. With increasing population and urbanization, air pollution is likely to increase in the years to come, and it is bound to have an adverse impact on the health of millions. Corteva Agriscience and Manna announces a strategic agreement on seed production irrigation management with an aim to enhance effective irrigation practices. Francisco Lynch, Seed Production and Supply Chain Director at Corteva Agriscience, said, "We are very satisfied with the result and user adoption of this technology and looking forward to working with Manna to provide farmers with the tools they need to keep growing." Bayer launches Ascora X Pro, an innovative fungicide for cereals that combine maximum effectiveness on leaf disease and directly benefit plant psychology and productivity levels. Fluparam and Bexagan prothioconazole are the three active ingredients that help in controlling the most dangerous disease for cereals such as Septoria, powdery mildew, rust, and Helminthosporium. AquaConnect set out on a journey to provide formal financing for winter crop to aquaculture farmers of coastal Odisha. AquaConnected is led by BFSI team manager Jyotimai Moharana, who will personally inspect the farm ponds to ensure proper due diligence to follow with proper documentation and farm data so as to secure the entire process of farmer financing. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran Business. Thank you.